An ideal mind is the devil's workshop. As long as a person is busy, he or she exhibits a positive and normal personality. The moment a person is idle, negative thoughts enter the mind. The person begins plotting mischief, pranks, and perhaps even vengeance. These are all traits of the devil. Hence, it has been said that an ideal mind is the devil's workshop. This is very often seen with small children. Give a small child some puzzle or drawing book or building blocks and it will spend hours without bothering its mother. But if the child is left alone with nothing to do, it will yell and scream and go around the house breaking things and causing a general nonsense. Even a good mind will run to waste if left unengaged for a long time. Without any constructive work to do, it will think negatively and the person will indulge in destructive actions. We must therefore always see to it that we are mentally and physically engaged in the active pursuit of something good at all times. Duty is deity and work is worship. On the other hand, an ideal mind is the devil's workshop. That's it for today, students. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can subscribe my channel to learn more essays from Suman's Academy.